Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Today we're going to be talking about our Regrowth Elixir from our brand Cutie Essentials. We just brought out our Crazy Fave collection, and this is the highlight of our collection. This elixir is filled with herbs and oils that are amazing for hair growth. Many persons are asking, how can I use this elixir besides just using it as an oil on the areas which are boiling or spotting? So this video is going to show you guys how I use natural ingredients to create a homemade treatment that is great for strengthening and growing your hair. Of course, the first thing that you're gonna need is the elixir. So you're gonna have to purchase one. You're gonna have to get an egg. You're gonna need some coconut milk. We picked our aloe from our garden. You need some molasses, and from our sister brand Mills Organic, you will need some organic ginger powder. What I do, I just peel quickly the edges of the aloe vera. That was picked from my garden again. I need to highlight that. And just clean off the inside, the pulp, as we would say in the Caribbean. And I throw it into one of my blenders. I don't use the skin sometimes because I find that it leaves like the buildup on my hair. Egg, of course, you crack an egg. You put it in that blender quickly, moving along. You choose next your ginger powder. So I use a tablespoon of this ginger powder. Of course, you can also check us out at Mills Organics Facebook and Instagram to get your grounded ginger powder. We used a quarter cup of coconut milk, and we used a teaspoon of molasses. You just mix it up nicely, and you of course need the elixir. I use a lot. I'm a freak when it comes to using products. I used a lot. Then what I did, I just turned it over, put it into the blender, mixed up quickly. This takes less than 10-15 minutes to create. You can pour it into a nozzle bottle. What I did, I pour it into a glass jar because I'm going to put it in the fridge for me to use at a later date. Boom, you have a treatment with, of course, our elixir. Please visit our website www.cutieessentials.com. Buy your elixir today. Thank you guys again. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bar, guys.